What is up, everyone?
Yeah, everyone, what up? Got the speaker thingy working.
So, something that I just read at the post office. Let's go up the hill for a different way this time.
Up the hill?
Yeah, I went to the post office today, and they told me they're really confused with the order. No matter if you wear a mask or not, they will not kick you out of the post office.
Oh, yeah?
But it says here, the order to wear a mask in Belleville says, though it isn't a formal order, repeatedly, if you do not wear a mask, you will be charged. So if it's not like a formal order, then how the fuck can you be charged?
That's weird.
Yeah.
Fucking G, I got one bar going up there.
Oh God. I smell a skunk. Either somebody smoking some good ganja or there's a skunk.
That's a skunk, dude.
Oh, that's a big hole. I fell in the hole and died. A hybrid seed.
You like that?
Fuck yeah.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Jeez.
I can make my bike clap. It freaks people.
Make my bike dead, watch. Oh, God. I should have charged this thing. I thought it would be good.
I can freak people out. Like I bet I can freak this person. Oh, it's not doing it now. Fuck, I put the caliper in place now. Cockbiter. Oh, I just ran over a squirrel. Hey, squirrel. That dress is way too sparkly. Yeah. Oh, you know what we should do?
That Bob? Nope.
Hey, well, we can make it. I don't know. Sidewalk's still closed. Come on, City of Belleville, get your ass in gear and fix it. Oh, is this the waterfront or the fair?
A little pavement too.
Yeah.
A little whatever. Oh, what's going on here? Is this where the fucking shit's gonna be? It looks like it. There's a lemonade stand.
Well, check out this road, Rash. Oh, is that Smoky Barbecue, people? There's a barbecue smoking thingy-mabobber. Beaver tails. Oh, I could sure eat a beaver tail right now. I like beaver.
Eagle.
Yeah, that's where that guy comes into the shop. That's his bike.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
With the saddlebags?
Yep. The one that says he drives all winter long?
Yeah.
I highly doubt it.
There's not too many people that drive all winter.
He rides with his feet down in the summertime, let alone winter. Let's turn left. I don't know, I'm just picking ways to go. I'm confuzzled today. Oh, my tummy. Oh, who fucking red lights? Oh, it's freaking blistered. Today's supposed to be hotter than yesterday.
Fuck, when he called me, I literally just rolled out of bed.
Oh.
ACAB.
ACAB.
You still turning into that parking lot or something?
Huh?
You still turning?
Yeah, I'm turning. Yeah, I want to turn. I want to go up here. I don't know why. Wee! My grandparents used to live in this apartment.
That boat has been here for so long.
Oh,
man.
look at that dirt bike. Rap, rap, rap.
That boat's been here as long as I can remember.
Yeah,
I used to go to school at Centennial. It's been here.
I remember my grandparents living here when they were alive, and this is when I was like 5 or 6. But you come in here into their apartment and it smelled like a dirty ashtray.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm hot. I need shade. Oh, I found shade. Oh, my balls are itchy.
Oh, they got a fucking rice flag hanging out the school.
A what?
They got a Tynanaga flag hanging at the front.
Fuck yeah.
Flag.
They should have the Tynanaga flag, but the other fucking flag should be fucking
Burned.
yeah. No offense to anyone that's gay, but you guys don't see why you guys get a flag.
Yeah, we don't get a straight flag. Why do they need a fucking gay parade?
Yeah. I don't know. So it's a pretty relaxing drive, I guess, this way. What's this guy doing out there? He's like, swing my arms back and forth, do-si-do, something, something.
Do-si-do, something, something.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm fucked.
Jimmy's still turning.
Oh, fuck, I'm always turning, okay?
I don't have signals anymore. Tables have turned.
Look, we could have fucking biked through a sprinkler.
Sprinklers.
Damn it.
That looks fun.
Oh, yeah, especially in another hour or two.
Yeah, I might come up here on my lunch and just rip through it.
I don't know what work was thinking, fucking, oh, just leave the door open and put a table in front of the door to stop anyone from coming in. No, I'll put a table outside and we leave the door closed to stay cool inside.
Yeah.
Jesus. The post office lady said she won't wear a mask.
She wasn't wearing one?
No, she said she won't either. And that's government. She's like, we're the government, you know, it's post office is the government of Canada. And she said it's not our deal to kick people out that want to buy stuff. She had a good. Yeah. She had the same point I did. Where was the mask wearing back in the day?
Yeah, exactly. Where was it when fucking we were locked down?
Yeah.
We didn't have to wear a mask in places. Now it's finally clearing up. They're getting ready to open up stage 3, but we have to wear masks.
Yeah, they're fucking dumb. Is this a dead end or does it go around? I don't know.
It loops around.
I've never been down here. That's why I turned.
It'll loop back the other way though.
Oh. Oh wow.
It don't matter. My bike's like dead.
Yeah, that's why. Oh, a tramp.
Having slow trampoline.
Yeah. Oh, watch out for the bunny rabbit.
I wanted to get a trampoline, but it'd take up like my whole yard.
I bet Miss Tipsy would be trying to catch that bunny rabbit right now.
So she'd be like, oh, bunny!
Me, I'd be trying to catch it to eat it for supper.
Yeah.
Bunny. Oh, there you go.
That's nice.
Almost as nice as this piece. Whoa.
Yeah, almost. Oh, a trailer?
Yeah, a trailer.
Trailer. It says bicycle route. That's us, Trippy.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen this way before. New trail, guys. Oh, I bottomed out.
Oh, there's another bunny. 2 bunnies. Look at all those damn bunny rabbits.
Bunny.
Oh no, that's a garden. They should have it filled with cannabis plants.
Ooh, that's a great spot. And they got their own little sprinkles. I see some tomatoes. Ooh, I almost got a squirt.
Hi. Oh yeah, we came through here the one day. But we came over this way.
Cause, backwards.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay. I see.
Yeah, we just did it backwards.
Whew. Damn, she's gonna be a toasty roasty out.
Yeah, I'm glad we'll be inside with the door closed.
Ah.
Go down that and see what's down there.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, might as well. I prefer to hit the pavement and go over to the grass. Oh, but I wanted to go through that big pothole. Oh, you gotta stretch, I gotta air my balls out. Oh yeah, being aired out. We can say, oh no, I thought we were fucking there. I mean, come here.
Yeah, we can go over to the school from there.
Heck yeah.
Just gotta go around the fence.
Get the fuck out. I thought that was a dead animal.
This looks like a dead end.
Not if we jumped the fence with our bikes.
Looks like a bird died here or something. There's feathers everywhere.
Yeah, and it looks like people were trying to start fires to cook that bird.
Probably.
That's definitely burnt shit.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck. Might as well cut over to the school. Whoa, I almost fell. Oh! Whoa, that's a big hole. Yay! I bet if you lit a match on this grass right now, it'd just go poof.
Oh, fuck yeah.
This is making me want to urinate. I'll hold it while you suck it.
What?
That video posted today.
What?
I hold it and you suck it.
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, God.
Oh, I gotta ride in the shade.
That's what I was aiming for. Oh my God.
Oh, what a difference.
Oh, yesterday it was 108 Fahrenheit here, and I think Hawaii was like 90. Dubai was
90?
Dubai was fucking like 92. We were like hotter than Dubai and Pakistan and Egypt and all that shit. Oh,
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Where'd Tipsy go? I don't know, I follow. Oh, pissy mattresses.
Pissy mattresses.
Yeah, Miss Moto. Miss Moto did like those pissy mattresses, but then she had a baby. And then she gave up the pissy mattresses.
Yeah, no more pissy mattresses with the baby.
Boom, 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 boom. The poor puppy dog. You know how hot that is for the puppy dog right now?
Yeah, you should have booties almost in the summer too.
Yeah.
Look, it's like I didn't want to go to the shade.
Oh, I would not be.
Your ass.
I would not be walking my dog in this heat.
That's the thing. It's getting too hot to even walk your fucking dog.
I don't understand why people are throwing away perfectly good wood.
I don't think they're throwing that away. It's by the curb. You just start coming and picking it up. Well, sorry guys. Well, you put your shit by the curb, it means it's free.
Like that SUV, that's free because it's by the curb.
Yeah.
That van.
You steal it, and that's what you tell the cops.
Yeah, exactly. What the hell? Then we create some new law in Belleville. Whoa, easy there, Honda.
It's actually pretty nice in the shade.
Yeah.
Look at that street, how shady it is.
Shaded.
That's a nice street.
Oh, my balls.
Oh, we go down through this school over here.
Might as well. Don't hit the post, man. Ooh, I almost hit Tipsy. Oh. Seems like such a fire hazard driving on that grass.
A couple big rocks there.
Oh. Oh, they got some shady up there.
I never drop off of it anymore. I just come out this driveway.
Whoa, donkey breath.
That guy said something. I don't know what he said.
What guy?
In that van.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, keep going, Timmy. Yeah. Oh, it's just hot and pitiful out today. Overgrown Belleville, holy shit.
Right? I can feel some of these hitting me.
Meanwhile, they're cutting the grass by our work yesterday. Yesterday or the day before, and it's all burnt and short. Why don't he come and cut this instead?
They got their priorities all wrong.
Yeah, this town's fucked. Physically and mentally fucked.
They could be fixing all these shitty ass roads too.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Hoodies.
Oh, there goes 0 bars.
Woohoo! I mailed a letter off. Well, one package today. Well, one envelope today. It was going to Florida, Jacksonville. Yes.
Jacksonville. Ooh.
No, I can't jump back. I was debating. Whoa.
Ah, shit.
Damn Academy. Oh, now you got a scooter. Oh, good. Oh, I thought Tipsy was going to smoke that post. Oh, I can't squeal. My brakes didn't work that day. Oh, yeah, guys.
BMW.
Yeah, 1200.
Oh, yeah. Alright, guys, that's going to be the end of that one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. As always, stay tipsy.
Stay tripping.
And
stay e-biking.
Fucking e-biking.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers.